our knowledge is evolutionary going, and we do not even know how much we know, how much we do not know really. As I say, the people who are scholars or scientists, the more they know, the more they learn, the more they become aware of their ignorance. The more they think we do not know, we don't know majority. So of their ignorance. So a person who learns more, he becomes more aware that he don't know. He knows less. And people who do not know, they don't know, they do not know. So they think we know. And who know, they know that we know less. For example, here firstly we used to say, oh, our earth is very good and very big. The scientists discovered, yes, we have discovered now there is a solar system. As soon as they discovered solar system, there came hundreds and thousands of other solar systems in front of them. They said, we've lost it. And when they discovered, okay, the solar system, galaxies made of solar system, they saw 1 million galaxies in front of them, which has no end, a person cannot see. So the more, that's why you won't see the scientists who actually work and who have been researching, like be it Muslim or non-Muslim, that they're saying things like this, or we will subdue the world, we will actually make the universe subservient, etc. It is all those people who do not know, who make big slogans and don't know anything, or we will make the world this and we do this, and they do not know.